Spell the word box cover back way. Hi there. First of all, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling good. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. But don't you think that today was successful?
Yes, today was successful.
As you can see, the team is packing up right now. But I have one question to ask you. Spell the word box cover from backways.
Okay, here we go. Focus.
A V Hola, ask me the question again.
Hi, Katie. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Alright, so I'm going to ask you one question here. Okay. Spell the word box cover back way.
Is that a trick question? Because I can turn around and...
No.
You smart.
Very funny.
Okay, it's AVOCXOB.
Oh, you almost had it.
Hi there. What's your name?
I'm Kavan from Kinematic Studios.
Hi, Kavan from Kinematic Studios. Could you please spell the word countdown? Backwards.
C-O-E, backwards.
Yes. Backwards.
Countdown. N. O.
What? Whoa. Wow.
W.
Run that back.
BTN. O. U.
Nice try. Hi, Angel. Could you please spell the word countdown backwards?
And so countdown. So it's N W O D T N. No, sir.
What's your name?
I'm Tashura.
Alright, could you spell the word countdown backwards, please?
Alright, let me see. NWOD TNUOC.
What?
Can I get a round of applause?
What's your name?
I'm Davian from Fresh Creative. And we
Hi.
create the best visuals.
Alright, hi, Davian from Fresh Creative. Kindly do a favor for me. Spell the word media backwards.
AIDEM.
You didn't get an easy one.
Okay, I made that.
Oh, try, do me a favor. Spell the word social backwards.
In social, Jesus.
Simple, social.
LAIOS.
Say that again.
I forget, you made me think a while ago and you delete my thought process.
Say, try it again. That was actually wrong. You forgot to listen. Try again. Yeah.
Something like that.
The last time I checked, there's a C in social, yeah?
Social.
Just in case you forgot.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hold on, ready? Now give you a simple word.
Okay.
Because you are going to ask everybody, I'm going to give you 12 seconds. Forget this, okay?
Alright, 15.
Alright, 15.
Alright,
Ready? Your word is YouTube. Go.
E-B-T. No, E-B-U-T. U-O-Y.
Okay, alright. Okay. Wow.